After setting up your pay items in the Pay Items list, you can add them to your employees record to be used on a regular pay. Non-regular pay items can be added when the pay run is being prepared. Go to Payroll, Employees, and select your employee. Select the Tax tab. Make sure your employee's tax settings are correctly set up. To add leave pay rates, select the Leave tab. Click Add New Row and select a leave item, like annual leave. Details from the payroll item will populate here. Check that the details are correct. The annual entitlement for a full-time employee, the accrual period, the rate at which they will accrue leave, and the date they started accruing leave, and any other relevant information. If this item is relevant in termination pays, you can have it included in the calculation by ticking the box at the end of the final column. Click Add New Row to add another leave item, like personal leave. Check the annual entitlement, accrual period, the rate at which they will accrue leave, the date they started accruing leave, and any maximum if applicable. If this item is relevant in termination pays, you can have it included by ticking the box at the end of the final column. Next, add the regular pay rates that will appear on most payments on the Pay Setup tab. Start with the Earnings item and click Add New Row to add a pay rate. Select an ordinary time earnings item that will be used regularly, like salary for a fixed salary earner. The rate basis will populate from the pay item setup. Enter the nominal hours worked in the pay period in the quantity column. Add the annual amount and any other relevant details. Click Add New Row if another ordinary time earnings will be used, like time and a half for overtime. Where the number of hours worked will vary, it's best to leave the quantity field blank. The rate will calculate from your annual salary and your business's number of hours in its normal working week. And then check any other relevant fields. Continue to add other components of pay, like allowances, by clicking on that section's Add New Row, and select an allowance item. The fields you need to update will vary from item to item. Unless the quantity will be the same every pay, leave it blank, and complete all other relevant fields. To add deductions, go to the Deductions section. Add New Row, select your item and complete the relevant fields. Super is added under the Superannuation Account section. Select your super pay item, select your employee super fund, their fund product, and add their member number. Reckon One will automatically find the USI with the other important information for super stream processing. Add any other super items that may apply, like super salary sacrifice or other options. Generally, that is all you need to do, but in some instances other conditions may apply, so that you may need to enter a minimum payment, indicate whether the amount is risk exempt or is treated as a super guarantee amount. You may also need to tick one of the options just above the super table. Please refer to your accountant if these options apply to your employee. Finally, add any company contributions items. When all items have been added, click on Save and Close. Your employee is ready for a regular pay run. Thanks for watching this video, and if you need any further help, please go to help.ipabooksplus.com or contact us on support@ipabooksplus.com.